Sub 3 mistake you might be making. Fix them today. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Joy Silver. I'm here to help you level up your beauty routine by showing you 3 common mistakes a lot of ladies make. You might be making it without knowing, but don't worry, I'm here to show you how to fix them real fast so you can feel and look beautiful every day. Let's get into the video. But if you're just joining us today, welcome back to my channel. Please click on the subscription button, like and comment and share the video. Mistake number 1 is using the wrong foundation shade. A lot of you either go too light or too dark. By using your foundation to test your hand to see if it's matched, but sis, your hands is not close to your face. There's no way it's going to match. The best place to test your foundation is your gel line. It matches perfectly well to your skin tone and your neck. Trust me, if you want to test your foundation shade to see if it matches your body, try testing it on your gel line. And believe me, if your foundation matches your skin tone, you feel 10 times better. Mistake number 2 is not blending your makeup perfectly well. If you're not blending your makeup well, it can ruin the whole look, especially your edges, your hairline, your jawline, your brows. You don't want to walk around with those makeup lines showing. It can ruin your beautiful look. Use a damp beauty blender or a soft makeup brush. Blend and blend and blend until it becomes smooth and natural. Yeah, you're good to go. See, one thing I will tell you for free is blending is the key to a good and perfect looking makeup. Trust me when I say this. Mistake number 3 is sleeping with makeup on. It blocks your pores, causes breakouts, makes your skin age faster. Even if you're tired, take wipe or use micellar water to clean your face. Your skin will thank you later. Just put cleanser beside your bed for lazy nights. For the nights you're unable to get up to go clean your face, put cleanser or wipe close to your bed. Please do not sleep with makeup on. These are 3 beauty mistakes you might be making, but now you know better. Please, if this helps you, please do me a big favor. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Share the videos to your friends. Let's grow together. You can tell me in the comment section which of these mistakes or which beauty mistake have you been making, and tell me the topic you want me to cover on. Yeah, I'm Beauty by Joy Silver. Let's grow together, okay? I'm always here for you. I love you all. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.